Assalamualaikum guys. I hope you are well. Today my topic is residential solar system. आज हम रेसिडेंशियल सोलर सिस्टम के बारे में बात करेंगे. Roof mounted solar panel as our most popular option for residential solar panel. We will consider the orientation, age, and size of your roof to customize a solar design that optimizes your production. Consider an energy audit to ensure you're getting the best value of your money before your installation. Our solar projects balance efficiency and beauty. We want you to see the return on your investment as well as enjoy the beautiful clean edge of a sleek modern system that your neighbors will be inspired by. We want to increase your curb appeal as we install your residential solar system and make you proud to say we will go on solar. Ground mounted solar system solar panel. If you are considering residential solar panel and you have a smaller roof, excessive shade or a northern or orientation to your roof or ground, mount solar system can be an excellent option. Your system size will be less restricted and give an alternative orientations for your best in energy production. Installing technologically advanced electrical equipment takes expertise and care with decades of combined experience and NABCE certified PV installation protection on staff. Solar canopies is by a beautiful natural failure with one of the hard handcraft timber frame and structure allowing you to go solar over your patio. Dry-away dog run a new outdoor space. Are you commercial space considering solar canopies? We can also have more sophisticated applications with this Data Solar bus stop project. Residential solar surface solar panel have a lifespan of approximately 30 years and come with guarantees to much how our service offerings are designed to keep your system operating at peak productions. We are here to your partner in protecting your solar investment with preventive maintenance on the go repairs and monitoring analysis. Solar is the future to powering our lives and extending. I hope you like my videos. Please subscribe my channel and like. Allah Hafiz.